I'm a property owner in Dubai. Why would I go to the hassle that I should have, I should expense or I should spend money for putting in furniture as well, for putting in all the utilities as well? Why do I do that? I can rent unfurnished apartment too.
As an owner myself, what I want to get from my property is the highest possible returns, which is again under the legal perspective. So the idea is when you invest in furniture, let's say for the first time when you invest in furniture, that investment will take you and give you a higher rental return year on year. That means if you put, let's say, in a studio apartment, if you put in, let's say, 10,000 dirhams worth of furniture, that 10,000 dirham worth of furniture will actually give you higher rental returns at least for the next 5 years. Perspective from the owners that you do not consider it as a expense, rather it is an investment which will give you a higher rental yield. So you can also rent it out as an unfurnished apartment. There is no problem with that. But if you want to get a higher rental return, then this is the best option. Like you'll spend a little bit, but then you'll get year on year a much higher rent.